Hey guys, welcome back. Coach Sandra here with you today, and today we're going to make a hot drink, which is not my normal. Most of the time when I drink my teas and my drinks, I drink them room temperature or cold, but today it's cooling down, the weather's cold, and I felt like having a hot drink, so I thought I'd share that with you. And I'm going to make a drink, you guys, that has been a family favorite for several years. We have some land up north where we go camping at frequently, and on one of those camping trips, we decided to mix these two things up, and now this is a fond camping memory. So when we have this drink at home, it feels like we're sitting around a campfire. It brings back lots of cozy, awesome, fun memories. And today I'm going to make that with you. We call it Pom-Berry chai. And but before we do that, I want to take just a quick moment and let you guys know just how much we appreciate all of the likes and the shares and the comments. It helps our channel out so much. And we do pay attention to all of the comments, so please keep those coming. Let us know what kinds of things you'd like to see more of, what questions you have, so we can get that folded into upcoming videos for you. And before we get started, the last thing I want to mention is you can now subscribe to get email notifications direct from Maurice and I when we drop a new video, and included in that notification email is going to be the recipe card for that video that we provide for all of our clients. So you will be able to get your hands on that. Plus, when you sign up, you will immediately receive a sheet with our best tips and tricks to make the most incredible Herbalife shakes and teas possible. All right, so let's get this mixed up. What we're going to use today is we're going to use our chai flavored herbal tea concentrate. And remember, the herbal tea concentrate is part of our weight management plans. This is not just any old green tea. This has a lot of things added to it to aid in digestion, to help burn fat faster, increase your metabolism. It creates some heat in the body, some energy in the body. So you'll feel a physical energy with this, but it's not one of those edgy energies that you crash from. No crash. That's one of the things I love about it. I'm also going to use the Lift Off today, the pomegranate flavor, and this is the new format, the stick packs. This was just recently launched. You can still get your Lift Off in the tablet form if you like, but I'm going to use the stick pack today, and because I would just crush up the tablet anyway. But I love, love, love the Lift Off. This is one of the products that I have in my body every single day because it's just incredible for brain health, for everything. It's a great energy, but it's just a feel-good kind of energy. It's not like a wound-up energy. There's definitely no crash from this, but it's loaded with L-arginine, with ginkgo, with ginseng, with vitamin C, and a full complement of B vitamins. And it's just incredible for brain power. So especially when I have projects that I need to really focus and concentrate on, this I for sure have before I start, because it helps me concentrate, helps me focus. It increases short-term memory. It's great for our kids when they were in high school and middle school. They would take these, and they would have these in the morning, and it just helps them concentrate, focus, and learn faster, and then recall what they've learned also. Just a remarkable product. So this is the second thing that we're going to use, and the only other thing that we need is some hot water. So I'm going to turn this down so you guys can see just a little better what's going on. And I've already heated, oh, that is hot. I've already heated my water. So what I'm going to do first is put 1 serving of the chai flavored tea into my mug, and 1 serving again is 1/2 of a teaspoon. So I'm just going to use my Herbalife measuring spoon, put that in there. And my water's already hot. So now, before I put the Lift Off in, I'm going to go ahead and dissolve this herbal tea concentrate to make sure that it's dissolved really well. Oh my gosh, that smells like Christmas. It smells so wonderful. Now I'm going to mix this up. Make sure that tea is all the way dissolved. It dissolves really fast in hot water. Now I'm going to put the Lift Off in, and you'll notice that when you put the Lift Off into hot water, it dissolves really fast and it's going to bubble pretty strong. So we're going to put that in there and mix it up. And that's really all there is to it, you guys. Delicious, cozy, warm drink. It's so rich and comforting, and perfect for any cold afternoon, and it's also great for first thing in the morning to get your day started right, so you can focus and think and concentrate and remember. And so if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. That helps our channel out again so much. And be sure to share it with someone you know who likes cozy, warm winter drinks also. Thanks for joining, guys. See you next time.